Do you want to learn hypnosis? Do you want to amaze your friends and family members with the power of hypnosis? My friend, you might have seen a lot of videos on YouTube. You must be wondering how it is done. And you really wanted to learn it. Now good news is you can learn it from home. My friend, I am Pradeep Agarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. I am a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. I started learning hypnosis in 1972, started teaching in 1977. I have traveled all over the world. I have trained more than 500,000 people all over the world in 180 countries. Now, my friend, to learn hypnosis from home, you don't need to come out and attend the workshop in Hyderabad, which I used to conduct workshop, 2 full-day workshop in Hyderabad. People used to come from all over India and abroad to attend the workshop. Now, being a coronavirus period, you don't need to come out of your house. You can learn it from home. The good news is I am conducting a very simple but very powerful workshop on WhatsApp, 28 days workshop. Yes, it's a 28 days workshop, practical workshop. It's a video workshop. Remember, it is a video workshop which you will learn by watching me doing the things. Now, this is a 28-day workshop starting from 1st of June. Now, in this workshop, you are going to learn by watching me. Some of the clippings were from my live seminar, some of the clipping which you have recorded for YouTube also, and from just for this workshop, we have recorded some demos. In this workshop, I will give you a demo, explain to you, and then you will do it. Within 4-5 days only you started having fun with hypnosis with yourself and family members. You cannot go out right now because the coronavirus and lockdown period. Now, in this workshop, you will also learn some very powerful technique. Let me tell you what you are going to learn. You will learn what hypnosis is, how it is done, the theory about hypnosis. Then you will learn hypnotic imagination games, very powerful techniques. Then, not one, many of them I'll give you a demo and then explain to you, and then you can start doing it on others. Plus, while I'm teaching you, you can do it on yourself. And then you will learn simple hypnotic inductions, many of them, not 1 or 2, around 8 to 10 or maybe more videos you will watch where I explain to you how a person can be hypnotized and what are the symptoms of hypnosis and how you will know they are hypnotized. Simple inductions. And then you will come into instant induction, which you might have seen in the videos on the YouTube. You will learn, and you might have seen many of my videos where I am giving a demonstration. So you learn step by step, and then you will learn how to teach self-hypnosis, hypnotic pain control, plus I'll give you at least 5 techniques to do a content-free therapy. Content-free therapy means people don't need to tell what their problem is, they have to think in their mind and you can run the process and they will be healed. And all this technique doesn't take more than 5 minutes. You will see me in my live seminar where I'm teaching people and doing on them, and you can watch and learn and do it. This is a practical workshop. Why practical? Because I'll give you a demo, explain to you, and then you will watch me doing it, and then you will practice on yourself and others. Plus, you will learn self-hypnosis also. Now, my friend, in this workshop, you will get a manual which we normally give to my participants who come to attend my workshop all over the world. You will get a PDF of it, plus many more handouts. Now, this is the practical workshop. You will learn how hypnosis for fun, profit, and fame. How you will have fun, profit, and fame? Fun by doing hypnosis demos. Profit, you can do hypnotherapy. You can teach self-hypnosis, relieve their stress, anxiety, fear, and phobia. A lot of things you can do, which you learn by doing it, watching me in the workshop there. And then you will become famous, because when you go to somewhere, meet some people and started doing these hypnotic things, hypnotic fun thing like imagination game, and then hypnotizing them, you will become popular. So my friend, this workshop is happening on WhatsApp. That means every day you will get a video lesson from me. I will explain to you what we are going to do, then show you, and then you watch it and practice. It is not a theory class like just talking somebody and giving you some paper. It is a practical workshop. You will feel like you are attending my live training program in Hyderabad. Number 1, my 500,000 people, 500,000 students, they tell everybody that I am the best hypnotist, and I teach things very simple and easy. By watching me, they have become hypnotists. And many of my students have become already trainers in hypnosis. They are already doing motivational trainings after attending my workshop, and many of them started hypnotherapy clinics. So you can also do it, my friend. So, you must be wondering what is the fees for the workshop. Normally, people come to Hyderabad to take a flight and come here. They pay me my 10,000 plus GST, around 13,000 rupees, plus they spend money on their flight and they stay in the hotel. They end up spending 30 to 40,000 rupees. Now, this workshop is not 30,000 rupees. You don't need to pay 30,000 rupees. You don't need to pay 15,000 rupees. You don't need to pay 10,000 rupees, which we normally charge for 2-day workshop plus GST. You don't even need to pay 5,000 rupees, my friend. You don't even need to pay 2,500, my friend. This is only one time a very specific WhatsApp video workshop fee. That is only 1,000 rupees plus GST. That comes to 1,180 rupees. That's all, my friend. Plus, it is a certificate program, so you'll get a certificate after attending the workshop, plus many handouts and many manuals, and I'll teach you all the secrets of hypnosis which nobody else teaches. So, my friend, if you really want to master hypnosis, you really want to learn hypnosis for fun, profit and fame, have fun with your friends and do content-free therapy, this is the workshop for you. My friend, click below, there is a link for my website. You can make the enrollment by using Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay, or if you want to use a credit card, go to my website. There is a pay you money button. You can use a pay you money button, use your only credit card or debit card, and if you're out of India, you can just pay $25 for registration through my PayPal button, which is also there. And now remember one more interesting thing, my friend. If you register before 25th, I'll give you a bonus material of videos, live recorded videos, the downloadable videos to you worth 5,000 rupees. One of them will be Dave Elman induction, which you learn in the workshop. It's a live recorded program, plus developing a repo, again live recorded program, plus some more material you'll get, a secret material which we'll tell you later on. So register right now, my friend. Pick up your phone, Google Pay, Paytm and Phone Pay. You can instantly do, and remember to send us a screenshot with your name, because if you don't send a screenshot, we'll not be able to add you in the main group. So register right now and we'll have a lot of fun together. And as soon as the coronavirus get over, I'll be traveling to your cities, or you may come to my live seminar maybe after 1 year, 1.5 years. We don't know when it is going to happen. So see you soon personally. Register right now. Thank you very much.